Yeah.
Koboko, it's me messing. How are you? I've been observing you lately and I know that you have not been feeling well, so I decided to bring this delicious meal for you, made by me personally.
I'll not be feeling well. Now your power did the push the kids. That tells you that they give me food. I'm not eating.
But I personally made this meal for you.
Okay, put something inside.
No.
I said I'm not eating. If I'm eating this house, we go break it down. The black madam.
But why you go food? But this food is delicious.
Come out to shop your food. But kill the kill.
I can't kill you, Koboko.
Your sister that slapped me the other day and now affect my kidney. You know, saying you got to come and poison me.
Oh.
You think I don't love my life? You think I don't love my life?
No, it's not my sister that sent me. I'm sorry about the slap the other day.
Koko, if you charge me, do you know why they call me Koboko? You will know yours now if I flog you.
I won't make you charge now. I don't even need to find safe.
Ow! My charge. Leave me alone, I'm married. Don't turn me on.
I want to turn you over.
Stop! Stop it! Stop it! I don't want you.
Koboko!
I don't want you.
You want to reject my food?
Ow! The food is empty. And I'm hungry.
Koboko!
I don't want to eat. No!
As you dey hear me so. Gist me. Really? Hey.
Move your leg. Move your leg, my friend. Move your leg.
What kind of thing is this now? What's all this? Please hold on.
What is what? What is what? What is what? What do you mean by that? No, are you not supposed to be doing what I'm doing now? Early in the morning and you are drinking, talking to friends? Now listen, since you came back from Europe, you have been acting weird. And it's not nice. I don't like it.
Cliff, stop this, please. In Europe, white men, they cook for their wives. They sweep, they wash their clothes. Why is your own different? Why is this mentality, this black men mentality? I don't understand.
No.
You guys.
Oh, African men mentality? Right. This is Nigeria. Now listen, I'm a Benin man and I don't take nonsense. In my culture, it is right for a woman to wake up in the morning, do the house chores, sweep and everything.
Like a slave.
You don't come and cross your leg and be drinking early this morning. This is not Europe. And I'm not a white man. You have to change. Else!
Cliff! Did you just talk to me? Cliff! Are you talking to me?
It's a taboo. It's a taboo. Eh? I mean, I don't even know how to cook. You know, I'm doing this myself. I'm hungry. What is this? Osas. Can you cook? Osas. Osas, what's going on now? I just went to the kitchen, no food. Eh? And you're out here making up. You've been here for like 1 hour, 30 minutes. What's going on? Are you going for a party or a beauty pageant?
It's none of your business. I need to look good. I'm a woman.
No food in the house at this time of the day.
Cliff, are you expecting me to cook for you? Why can't you help yourself?
Help myself as in how now? I cannot have a woman in the house and be helping myself in the kitchen. It's not possible.
So you can't cook for yourself? Oh, please, please, please. What's the meaning of this?
I don't understand. You cannot be here while I do everything. I can't even go to the kitchen and cook while you are here. It doesn't make any sense to you.
Do you know the way I cook, the way I suffer in Europe before I came? Oh, please. I came to Nigeria to rest. So don't just start, please. They want to relax, eh? God forbid.
It's a pity, man. I don't know what to say to you.
Lao, we don't relax, eh?
God will judge you.
God will judge you too.
Kawako! Kawako! Come.
Okay.
Go get me bread and a bottle of Coke. Medium one, okay?
Visitor this house. I never will see that since yesterday. Children did there.
Oh no, this one, take it to me. Just
Why? This one not good for our body now. Why madam not cook? Madam, why not cook for garden?
Are you crazy?
No, ma, I'm okay. Sorry, ma.
go on, bye.
Better take your time.
Okay, ma. Right down.
Let's go on.
What rubbish is that? Nonsense. Two. I imagine. God forbid.
You are here already.
Oh, yes, sir.
Good. Take this. You have to hold this close. This is it. Buy soap. Make sure it was in. You know how you normally do it.
Yes, sir. I will do anything for you.
This particular one, don't wash it too much. Just take it. Don't dry and not squeeze out too much. Just take it like that, okay?
I'm going to stash it.
Good boy.
I will stash it.
Imagine.
What is it?
Come. Baby.
Yes?
Why are you doing this?
What's that?
You're preaching love. Telling me you love me, yet you can't even add my clothes to yours.
Oh, yeah. Oh, well, he normally washes for me, so I have to do that because you don't do it for me. That's why I have to make him.
Okay,
wash
I know,
my
I
clothes.
understand, but you can add mine to this one's, okay?
I don't think it would be okay for him to wash your clothes. Yes, he's my gate man. I can't imagine my gate man washing my girl's clothes. It's not done that way.
What?
You are supposed to wash your clothes yourself. Yes.
Are you serious?
Like, seriously. You can go, okay?
Here the you go. As you vomit and come out for clip your mouth. I would have clipped your mouth. Now wash your clothes.
It's okay, go, alright?
Better see you can come for bad.
Cliff, did you see that?
I saw it. It is not right for him to wash your clothes.
Cliff, then who is going to wash my clothes? Cliff! to wash my clothes? Please?
God, you do that job. You're not supposed to wash your car clothes.
Who are you? Where is Kobo Kobo?
Inside.
No, madam.
Kobo Kobo, what is this?
She's my nephew, my niece, my friend.
Kobo Kobo,
Madam.
in my house?
I'm sorry, ma.
Is this what you're doing here? Camping a girl in my house? Kobo Kobo! Ow! Now get out! Get out! What kind of rubbish? Oh, jeez. Get out! Stop. And you listen, if you ever try to do. Oh my God! What kind of rubbish is this?
Baby. Sorry, ma.
Baby,
Yes.
I don't know what's wrong with Kobo Kobo.
What's wrong here? What?
How can a gate man, a mere gate man, bringing a girl into this house? Why?
He brought in the girl.
Yes, I saw him with a girl.
Bad guy. Are you serious?
Why? What's the meaning of that?
How do you mean? He brought in a girl. So, in his apartment, it's very far from us. So, have you not seen gate men that have 5 children and all of that? And they are still living fine. It doesn't matter. This guy is just trying to recoup. Maybe very well. Maybe if the girl is lucky, they might get married.
Cliff, what do you mean by that?
About that, man.
Please, please, I don't like this. I don't like it. For what? Anyway, I slapped the hell out of his life this evening.
You what? You slapped him?
Yes.
How would you slap him? Why would you slap him? For what? Over what? Are you supposed to plan or rather dictate for him? He's a man of his own, so you don't have any right to slap him.
Are you serious?
Of course not. Why would you do that?
So I can't slap a gate man in my house.
Can you imagine what you're saying? How can you slap him because you see him? Now, so see gets man with me. You never see get man we get 5 children.
Cliff, where?
No. We try. Oh, what? Oh, that they go. Wow,
Cliff.
now get man. Do I mean we wait to go me. I beg.
Cliff, back where?
Very good night.
Can you imagine? So you are behaving.
Baby, come. You going out?
Yeah.
I want to use the car. I told you I have an appointment in the office today. A very important one. I need to go with the car. We have some delegates coming from Abuja and everything, so I need to go with my car to represent very well.
Cliff.
Yes?
I told you I'm going to a party today. Have you forgotten?
I know now, but you know there's only one car, so we'll have to manage. All right, let me call a cab for you.
What? Call a cab for me or call a cab for yourself?
What's this now? I told you before now. Eh? This is a business meeting. We have delegates from Abuja and everybody. I have to represent my own company. I need to go as a very responsible man with a car. How can I start jumping taxi?
Excuse me. Cliff, no. Is this how you treat a woman?
How am I treating you? What's this now?
Cliff, I should go to a party where all my Europe friends are going to bring different kind of cars. I should go with a cab, Cliff.
No. Listen. I'm not ready for your fight this morning. Please, you know there's only one car available. That is why I want to beg you. Let me use the car for now. Okay? And I will call a cab for you now. It's a normal thing.
I don't blame you. My white man don't treat me like this. Rubbish. Get man, open the gate.
What is the meaning of this now? Ever since this girl came from Europe, it has been Europe this, Europe that. White man this, white man that. In my own house, talking about a white man. Go and be white man. I'm tired of this nonsense. Welcome to my home. Oh,
Cliff,
yes.
who is she?
My friend. Yes.
Your friend.
Yeah.
And
My,
what kind of friend?
actually, she's my girlfriend.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Your what?
My girlfriend.
In my house?
Excuse me. My house, not your house. Okay? That's it. If you will excuse me, we want to go inside. Thank you.
Right, honey.
Okay.
Meet me inside, okay?
Beautiful.
Cliff.
Oh, God. Hmm?
Are you crazy?
What is it? What is your problem? No, why are you yelling at me? Oh, since you came back from so-called Europe, you have been Europe this, Europe that. You can't do this, you can't do any chores in this house. You are a white man, you have this. This is my white girl, and she's ready to take off me. Because I'm tired and sick and tired of all this your nonsense in this house. You do nothing. What? I will hit you. I will hit you.
Cliff, hit me! Hit me!
You are getting on my nerves.
You would
You
try!
are getting on my nerves.
You would try!
This is my house.
I won't give you peace!
Okay.
I'm gonna bring a guy to my...
All right.
Cliff!
Whatever the lad will say it now. You are carrying.
I hope they used to give you food. And I am getting...
Once in temporary.
Dojo. I know, don't worry, I'm here now. I will take care of you.
Oh, better person. Oh, God. Kind never. Never come. Oh, better woman. You are original.
You see it by yourself.
I've seen it already.
Come. What are you doing here?
Good morning, ma. You're welcome, ma. God bless you.
Is this your duty post?
No, you're trying to show some percentage of cariness. To her. Hey.
Abasabi. Abasi.
Wait, if goes on with the no, is it not better you carry this your dead body inside? Or not carry money bolozo and by inside?
Aye.
Than standing here like a dead tree talking to me. I don't blame you. What you cannot do, I am doing it. Yet you are complaining. Did
you just talk to me?
Yes, I am talking to you and there is nothing you can do.
Really?
Oh yes.
Okay, no problem. I'm carrying my dead body inside. By the time I come back, I'll come back like a spirit.
I mean, go inside.
Wait for me, no
There's
problem.
nothing you can do.
Okay.
Go and come. Me, I'm waiting for you.
It's okay. For not talking like that. That's your woman. Bagbati. Do you know what they call Bagbati?
Now, Bagbati, we go Bagbati, I'm together for this place. I ain't got me, we go Bagbati, we go scatter everywhere. Go Bagbati. What kind of demonic woman is that?
Even you.
She thinks she can torment me.
Okay.
I will tell her.
Jesus.
Oh yeah now! But no! Leave her! Come, let me show you.
It's okay, please.
Leave her, leave me.
Don't do that. If you're not
Do it! Do it! Go!
It's okay, madam. Bye-bye.
I said come, let me show you that I'm an Igbo woman.
Have you tried with this woman? Eh?
okay.
You are
It's okay.
father.
Hey,
Go,
it's
go, go,
okay.
go.
No, please, I beg.
What? What's that? What are they?
Oh.
Believe people, that's why they will open eye. And then like they will swallow person. Can they swallow me?
Oga.
Kobo, how are you doing now?
I just found Oga. Oga.
Yes.
It's a war season.
Huh?
It's a war in the house.
Which one? What?
We go at the Edo have all of them were warring since this morning. Oyodo was doing that thing they to do, remember? Yeah, Edo have not carried. Wanted to burn more, you go not run away.
In my house?
Yes, sir. If not God has seen me, I wanted to go. Let do not tell him. He said if I near him, knock him my waist.
Oh my goodness. Damn it. Osas. Where's Osas right now? I know Osas must be the originator of this issue. Where is she right now?
No issue.
Huh?
No issue for the house.
You don't understand what I mean. I mean Osas must be the cause of this fight in this house.
I don't know. It's nine. It's nine that caused it.
I will get to the root of this matter. Osas!
Look at come.
Osas!
Yeah, where are your man with that?
Yes. I was told about what happened earlier today. Okay, please, and plead again. I don't like it. I can imagine my gate man reporting to me that you guys were fighting, even using a pistol to hit each other. That is very wrong. Especially your Osas. You see, it's hard time we live in this house as one. I didn't bring her here for you to start fighting her every day. Please, let's talk and let's talk this thing out as human beings, okay? Please.
Cliff, shut up. Can you hear yourself? How can you tell me to live with another woman in my own house, Cliff?
No, listen. I know you're a woman, fine. You have mixed feelings about this. But it has come to stay. Yes, I made a decision by myself until when you came back from Europe and started acting up all the way, you know, you have your white man does this for you, you do this for you. You practically don't do anything in this house. I had no choice. Okay, please, I have every right to do things I want to do. But I also consider you as a woman. That is why I'm pleading right now for us to live as one. Come on, we are not kids, we are mature people, all right? We can manage this. Do you understand me, sir?
No problem. If you want peace, take back this Igbo girl to wherever you pick her from.
Hey. Don't just insult me. Because if we are good to him, he wouldn't have brought me.
It's okay, Sas, I'm still talking to you. I think it's hard time we do this. We are mature people, okay? Alright, Sas, I hope we are good. Shut up, babe. Huh?
If there's nothing else to talk about, please, I want to go. But I can't sit down here and start listening to you. Please take her back to where you pick her from. Rubbish.
I was just
Useless
talking to
people.
you.
My friend, shut up.
Oh, Sas!
Rubbish.
You see what I've been telling you? This is getting out of hand. You need to do something and you need to do it very fast. Excuse me.
Ify, hold on. Ify. So confused right now. Having two women in the same house is a problem for me.
Baby. seriously.
Don't talk like this. You don't talk like this. I told you everything will be fine. Okay? You know women now. Definitely she will frown at it. But I know why I brought you here.
Baby, we're actually saying the same thing. You know, when you told me that she'll be coming back from Europe, I understand. That's why I left. But now you need to make a choice. I'm tired of all this fighting. I can't.
I know I will make a choice. But I have a reason. You're the only one making me feel good here. Yeah? But you know, she wasn't like this at the time we started. But this time she changed. This time that she came back from Europe. You know, the changes is not actually helping me as a man. So I needed help. That's why I brought you here.
Baby, can I make a suggestion?
What is it?
Is it not better I leave?
No, that's what I'm talking about. We're also saying the same thing. Okay? You ain't leaving. Don't worry, everything will be fine. I told you I'll fix it. Okay? I'll fix it. Just relax, alright? Okay?
I love you.
I love you too, Derek. Okay? Don't worry.
Okay.
I'll fix it, alright? Kuna mahiri. Where is this girl? You mean she's not back by now? I know if she's back, she will definitely come to this room. We can suspecting that. Just look at the time. At this time, my heart. Where could this lady be at this time? Where could she be at this time of the night? Her phone switched off. This is serious. This has to stop. Not in this house. I don't understand. Just look at the time. After 11. Eh? Lawa. This is serious. This is serious. I'm getting fed up for real. I can't continue like this. Where are you coming from? My friend, I'm talking to you. I said, where are you coming from? Where are you coming from the time of night? Huh? You can't talk.
Get out of here. Get out of here.
Wait. You are drunk. Osas, you are drunk. So stupor.
You are the one drunk. Don't talk to me like that.
Osas, you slapped me. What's all this? You call yourself my fiancé. Now, how am I supposed to get married to a woman like you? You get drunk and come back to the house at this time of the night?
Where's the road to the room? Yeah? Do you have passport? I have passport. I go to Europe, I go everywhere because I have passport.
Oh my God. Are you going insane?
Get out.
Hey. Mariana. She came home drunk.
How in on my fiance's bed. My fiance, shut up. My goodness. Get out of here. Is that why you just woke me up from my beautiful sleep? What's wrong with this girl?
What's wrong? What's wrong with you now? What was all this? Eh? See how drunk you look. Just look at you. You think you're in Europe. This is what you do there.
Get out.
See how drunk you are.
Get out. Get out.
Baby, come.
Get out of here.
Come, don't worry.
Baby, come.
You are so drunk. You are so drunk. Leave me alone. Leave me and you. In my way. Come, let's go. Okay? Let's go to the room, alright?
Okay. Get out, both of you. Get out.
Useless child.
I'll deal with you. I'll deal with you.
See, I'm sick and tired of all this. I don't know what's wrong with you.
You want to have peace?
What
Look,
peace?
When is she leaving?
What do you mean by when is she leaving?
When is she leaving?
She's here to stay. She's not leaving. That is my girl. Okay? We're not thinking of marrying her anyway.
What? Cliff!
Yes.
You want to marry an Igbo girl?
Oh, Igbo girl. Now listen, as you see me so, I don't even care about tribe. I can even marry an Hausa or a Muslim girl, provided she does everything for me that you don't do. Okay? I can't even remember the last time you swept this house. When was the last time you called me, you made me food, and say, honey, your dinner is ready, your breakfast is ready? How long? How long am I going to live like that? She does all that for me. Yes.
Cliff, so because of that, you want to leave a Benin girl, your own Benin girl, for an Igbo girl, a low-life girl?
Oh, Benin girl. Oh, Benin girl. Is that it? Is that it? Because all you know is the title of a Benin girl. What I hear in this house is Europe this, Europe that. My wife, oh my God, I don't even want to talk about that. Do you know when you came back last night? That I called you at the time I was fed up. Do you know when you came back? My own wife? Who does that? Who does that? Do you ever see her leave the house? No. My friend, listen. If you don't take time, she will stay and you will bounce.
Really? Really? We shall see. We shall see. Boy, Avagbe. Avagbe. No, we shall see. No problem. We shall see.
And we shall see. Moria.
Kobo.
Madam! Madam! Madam, you got me. I'm here.
Anyways, go get me a cigarette.
Huh?
I said, go get me a cigarette.
Is that this song? Now you call me my uncle, now me they don't call like that. I can't get you cigarette. I'm a Christian. I'm a pastor to be. My father is a deaconess. I can't buy a cigar. No. It's not too much.
Wait. Kobo, what did you just say?
This is not too much. No matter for a couple, if you can't For now your head can't knock it. Now you're putting for back.
What did you just say?
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Come on. Are you talking to me like that? In my own house.
You slapped me. You slapped me.
Come on.
You slapped me.
Baby, I asked him to go get me cigarettes. The next thing, he started saying the sun is too hot. He can't go for what?
You slapped me. You slapped me.
You slapped him?
Yes, of course I did.
Okay, is that enough reason for you to slap him because you sent him on an errand?
So?
Go on. Ask her for me.
What?
No, what's the meaning of that? What is the meaning of that?
I don't understand.
Sorry.
Can't imagine.
No, you can't do that. He's a man of his own and you can't even send him an errand to go buy cigarettes for crying out loud. My own girlfriend, what's that now? That's downgrading.
Can you imagine? And he slapped me. Help me.
Sorry, okay? Very, very sorry. Don't worry, okay? Just go back to your post, all right?
It's okay. Help me. Uncle to Dangote.
Cliff, and who is going to get me the cigarette?
I don't give a fuck. I don't give a damn about that, okay? Now let me tell you. You can't go about slapping people all because of you want to be bossy, okay? That is my gate man and not yours, okay? I employed him.
Cliff.
Thank you.
Cliff! No! What? Cliff! Are you trying to tell me I can't talk to my gate man the way I like in my house? Didn't your boyfriend tell you that I owe almost everything in this house? And by the way, when are you leaving?
If you are going, if
What did you just say?
I said that you are an idiot.
To say fakulo, are you crazy?
Nke J-Rope, up to an akoi, on a no way I call you, nobody called. You were locked madam that in.
Are you crazy? Do you know who you're talking to? Look at me very well. I look calm, but don't ever try me, okay?
Who are you? And what will you do?
What I will do?
What will you do?
Really? Really? I told him I'm going to kill you! I told him I'm going to...
Okay, I'll kill you.
Now look, I'm warning you. I didn't bring her here for you to turn her into a punchy bag. Do you hear me? What's the meaning of this now? All you've said is, it doesn't even make sense. Doesn't make sense. We don't owe you anything. Or do we owe you?
Of course you owe me.
Hey.
Yes! You owe me! Look, if you want to have peace in this house, you pay me all my money. All the money I was sending to you when you were building this house.
Oh.
Hi!
People on each
Oh, okay.
Many people will be opening their eyes as if they own this world. You pay me the money I spent on you. Let me ask you a question. Were you the one that built this house for him?
Of course, yes.
Were you the one that got him his car?
Yes.
Were you the one that gave him his job?
Yes.
Do you owe his life?
And you are talking.
Ask her, my dear. You are done with it. No, listen very carefully. Even if you have paid me, you have sent me 1 or 2 things at a time. But this house, at the one I got my job, I was able to complete it and do a lot of things here. So, I beg, just mind your business. Rewind.
I should buy my...
Hey! Don't you try it again. Don't you ever dare lay your filthy hands on my man.
That's
If you
it.
try it. If you try it, I'm not gone. If you try it, I'm not about here.
That's my dad. See, calm down. Don't worry. Hey, no, listen. Or wait if you try it. Don't harm. Okay now. Hey, let's go. Don't worry.
What let's go inside.
Ìtàlẹ̀mẹ̀rẹ̀ máa sàn. Àbẹ̀gbé. Àwọn ọmọ yá ṣe. Àbẹ̀gbé. So, Mercy, this is my house.
Wow, it's good to be home. Sis, you have really done a lot of renovation here.
Oh, yeah.
And I must say, I'm really amazed. Sis,
No problem.
What's this bitch?
Oh, it's the Legbere now, the one I told you about.
Oh.
See, babe, you have come to my house and you have come to stay.
Trust me.
See, all those sweet food where they cook for house. I want me to cook am for my oga. Not be the one where these kind people they cook.
Sis,
Where they make body, they cash them.
sis, you not trust me. I have come to stay and I've come to stay. I am staying permanently.
Yes.
Nothing in this house can uproot me. Sister,
I trust you.
this will not be peppered them. We don't look them. Understand? Rubbish.
Oh my God! I love you, love. You can imagine the Legbere, the Igbo coconut, when my oga they use concept they shake my mind.
Sister, we are worried. Don't worry, we'll know how to handle this.
No problem, darling.
Rubbish.
I bet Sam, no. Come see, cross leg for my couch.
Sis, don't worry. I know how to deal with this bitch.
I trust you, my baby. Igbo coconut.
What is this? Why did you bring your sister in? I don't want crowd. Look, I don't want crowd. Let me tell you. By tomorrow morning, send her back to where you brought her from. I don't need anybody here. Do you hear me?
Cliff, what's the meaning of this? I thought you said you need somebody to cook for you, to wash your clothes, to clean the house. That is why I brought my sister. You know I can't do that. She's here to help me.
Can you hear yourself? No. Which woman in her right senses will just say what you just said? Huh? Oh, you now have to bring your junior sister to be cooking for me and doing all the house chores? Now for your information, I think you're forgetting something. I have a baby who does that already. Okay? Now I'm telling you, I want that girl out of this house in the morning. I want her out of this house. If not,
Cliff, it's because I love you I'm doing this. Cliff! It is that Igbo coconut woman I'm leaving this house.
You know it's belong, you actually gave me a good massage.
Don't worry, I'll give it to you real good this night.
Oh, really? Well, you are different from others.
Are you sure? I love you so much, baby.
Hey, come. Have you seen me since morning?
Sorry, sir.
You see why I talk about these young girls? Yeah? I spoke to your sister the other day. I said, you don't belong here. Listen to me. It's not that I hate you or I dislike you in any form. But I am trying to tell your sister, to tell you that you are not welcome in this house. Listen, I have two beautiful wives in this house. They are too much already. I wouldn't want another person to be in this house. It is a crowd.
Oh, tell my sister about it. Nonsense. Where did you see these girls from?
I don't understand.
Cliff,
What is the meaning of what?
what did you tell my sister? Didn't I tell you yesterday that she's not going anywhere?
Oh, really? Oh, she's going nowhere.
Yes!
That is what you want to tell me in presence of this your sister?
Yes!
A girl that came into the house that could not even greet me?
Look, she goes nowhere. If anybody has to leave this house, I think it's this your Igbo coconut head.
Mm-hmm.
Don't you try!
No, shut up!
Don't you dare talk to my son like that!
Anything
My
you
my
right
presence
to talk
was
in this house.
What are you going to
So
do?
shut mouth to talk to me again.
Don't you dare!
Shut up your mouth! Stop trying! Everywhere you say, I said you do not have any right to stay in this house. Are you not ashamed of yourself? If I had that baby, you and your sister will stay in your man's house. Are you not old enough to find your own man? Are you not old enough to look for a man? Never!
I said, leave this
Never!
Yeah.
Koboko, it's me messing. How are you? I've been observing you lately, and I know that you have not been feeling well, so I decided to bring this delicious meal for you, made by me personally.
I'll not be feeling well. Now your power, I think they push the kids. They tell you now they give me food. I'm not eating.
But I personally made this meal for you.
Okay, put something inside.
No.
I said I'm not eating. If I'm eating this house, we go break it come. The black madam.
But why are we go food? But this food is delicious.
Come out the shop your food. But kill the kill.
I can't kill you, Koboko.
Your sister that slapped me the other day and now affect my kidney. You know, saying you come and poison me.
Oh.
You think I don't love my life? You think I don't love my life?
No, it's not my sister that sent me. I'm sorry about the slap the other day. I'm sorry.
Koko, if you charge me, do you know why they call me Koboko? You will know yours now. If I flog you.
I won't make you charge now. I don't even get fine safe.
Ow! My charge. Leave me alone, I'm married. Stop telling me.
I want to turn you on.
Stop! Stop it! Stop it! I don't want you. You feel the same thing.
Koboko,
I don't want you.
you want to reject my food?
Ow! You feel the same thing. And I'm ugly. I don't want
Koboko!
to eat. No!
Koboko, do you want to kill me? Don't worry, even if you not eat my food today, next time you eat my food. And I'm going to give it to you in a grand style.
House that you want to bring down the roof.
May I remind you that this house belongs to my sister and everything in here belongs to her. So I can do with it whatever I choose to do with it.
I don't even know why I'm wasting my time because I know that it runs in your vein. You and your sister.
What?
Open it walls. If I get Meg, it's not this one you are just shouting up and down. If I get Meg,
back to sender.
Don't be the man. I'm in a good mood. Keep dancing. But I'm coming with something else that you will not resist.
You can't be a
stupid fool, loose girl. Idiot.
Me, loose girl. Igbabia. Rubbish.
Mercy, be fast now. What is it?
Sis, I'm no longer comfortable in this house. I want to go.
Why?
Nothing.
Talk to me. What is it?
Can you imagine? If someone was insulting me today just because I was dancing in the living room, if they're calling me a prostitute, I don't belong here, I should get a life. She even told me that I'm here to snatch your fiance away from me. Can you imagine?
Really?
Yes, auntie.
And what did you do to her?
I didn't do anything.
What? You didn't do anything? Why?
Because I'm only respecting you.
Respecting me? Did I bring you to this house to respect me? I brought you to fight for me. What's the meaning of this? Look, you are going nowhere. You are here to stay. You go nowhere. Let me go and find her. Where is she?
I don't know where she has gone, so she must have been around.
Follow me! Follow me.
Okay.
Where is she? Oh, she's... I said, drop that phone. Drop that phone! Come. How dare you talk to my sister the way you like? Wait. This your sister came to you and told you that me, if he insulted her. Yes. You will you shut up? That is your language to kill you. To come and ask me, are you insane? You are insane. You are insane. That Igbo language will kill you. Apple will kill you. That apple you are eating, that you think you're too strong, will kill you. If you dare open your mouth to talk to me again, apple will kill you. Let me tell you, this house is not your house. And as a matter of fact, my man does not want you in this house. So it's better you pack your things and go back to where you are coming from. You are not welcome in this house. You are in my house. You are... I don't... Rita! Rita! Oh yeah! Rita! Boye! Rita! Oh yeah!
What is wrong with you? Huh? What is wrong with you? Are you here to cause commotion in my house?
But she was the one looking for my trouble.
You just shut up. Are you okay? What's wrong with this riffraff? I've warned you. Stay away from her. Can you imagine? No, you shut up. You just shut up. You don't talk when I'm talking. Never. You're just a visitor here, and I've told you several times, stay away from our parts. As you have two warriors in the house, I'm not done with them. You want to add to it? You want to add to it? What is the meaning of this?
Cliff, what's the meaning of this?
Yes, I'm talking. It's your sister. Your sister, I don't know where you brought her from. She's causing promotion in this house. And if she don't leave, you both will leave. I'm telling you now.
Me leave. She's the one to leave this house.
Oh.
I've told you you will not have peace. And if you don't take your time, I'll poison her. Bet me.
Did you just say that?
Yes.
Do you know the consequences of what you just said?
I said bet
you
me.
will poison her.
I will kill her.
Okay,
yes.
Okay, very well. Thank God I have CCTV in this house. We will know. Anything happened to her, you will know her.
I'm not denying.
Anything that happens to her from now, you will know her.
I will do it.
I'll go right out of
Get
station.
inside.
Yeah, I'll go on station.
Get inside. Leave the
yeah, you come.
As a woman, for every I don't do evidence. Both of them.
Rubbish. Look at them. Look at both of them. Or we go marry weirdo. Coconut head. Idiots.
Baby, calm down, please. I know you are passing through a lot, and all these things are happening because of me. If I had not agreed to follow you here, all these things wouldn't have been happening. Please calm down, okay?
You see, the whole thing is just getting me crazy. I didn't expect this, okay? Oh God, I'm confused, okay, baby? You know what? I love you so much, okay? I know bringing you here has cost you a lot, okay? I just want you to please bear with me. You know, I love you as much as I love her. I used to love her the way I love you too, okay? She was never like this. But since she came back, she has changed. Alright, I'm not okay with it. That's why I brought you in, just to make changes. You know? But baby, you know what? I love you so much. Alright?
I love you too.
Yeah, and I want you to please bear with me. Everything will pass, okay? All these troubles will pass, alright?
Please just calm down, okay? Everything will be alright. And you should be able to Make a choice. You are old enough to know what you want. Make a wise decision.
I won't make a choice. My choice is yours already. You are my choice, okay? I love this.
My baby. Ow! I love you so much.
I love you.
I would die for you.
I hope you enjoy your meal.
Yeah, baby. And I enjoy it too. That's all I hear. That's all I hear, baby. Okay. Bye-bye. Baby.
Who is she?
Man, I'm done my friend, my daughter, sister. How you do?
No. But do she look let's say 12 money something?
No, that's what they do, jealousy. Jealousy, not get my friend.
You know I love you so much.
And I love you too.
I don't want to hear anything.
No, baby. Not for me forever.
Baby.
Baby. Oh, Jesus.
Me between anything.
No problem. Oh, Jesus. That's so thirsty. Oh. Take it down. Take care, baby. I love you.
Mercy. Can you imagine that rat? Oh, look, he's finished. It's not that rubbish that you want. Is that right? I'm here waiting for you. Hey! Come here, I'm not calling you. I said come here. What's the meaning of that? What will you do with Koboko? Oh, did you not tell them his girlfriend?
Yeah, his girlfriend.
Yes.
I don't know.
You don't understand what? Or did you not tell them my sister owns that house? That house belongs to my sister. Did I not tell you?
Wait. Are you not the guy that I saw in that cover just?
And so?
See, Silas, I'll not get them. Kobo, eh? I'm in love.
Your love.
I love him so much.
If I ever see you in that compound again, I'm going to pour you acid. Over the thing I have own.
Wait. I'm not well.
You know where? Me, I'll tell you, say, I demand. If I tell me, right? Not try me.
Wait. Don't look inside. We wear jeans. I wear fair clothes too. I'm not well. If I beat you, come on, not tell you. See, I love her, man. The love one I get for her. Now I rate. I know they use Koboko play. I beg. So I did, so I'll not get your time.
Let me see you in that compound again.
Try me. Be your madness, right? Be your madness, they be. So don't try me. If I beat you, eh? See, let's take Koboko. I love all the time. And I love, eh? I'm not using it. So if you know what is good for you, back out. We shall see.
We shall see.
We shall see. Listen, I say I don't get time. I'll go wash Kula, yeah? We'll go back up. Koboko. Thank you. I don't blame you. No problem. I'll get you.
Koboko, who was that guy I saw you yesterday?
Now you want me, why you ask me? Are you the landlady or the house?
I'm not the landlady. Koboko, am I not beautiful enough? Eh?
Oh God. She better not to say girlfriend. Koboko don't want you in life.
So, you leave Koboko the shop fish.
That fish don't want to see any fish.
one. When born how you fair no. You has it come to?
Sure, no so far now. Before you walk out, drive low to go so go call you. Koboko don't want you.
It's you I want, Koboko. It's you I want. It's you I want, Koboko. Why are you doing like this?
I don't want you. I don't want you. I don't want you. I can tell you. I don't want you. I can tell you. Leave Koboko alone. I don't want. Leave me. I'm telling you. I don't want to. I don't want to. I'm telling you. Free me alone. Free me. Free me. Free me. I don't want you.
Try me and see
Leave
now.
Koboko alone. I'm telling you. Koboko don't want you.
Koboko, what are you doing here?
Madam. That is. Oh. Madam. That's how.
What are you doing with Mercy? That girl. That's riffraff. That girl. What are you doing with her?
She's the one that moved me to this place. It was telling me, hold me, and press it.
I think your guy needs to hear this.
She was the one that was feeling cool, not me. Madam, please, don't tell Ghana, please.
Koboko.
Madam, please.
I went to your duty post to check on you, but you were not there. Now you are behind the building with that rotty girl, with that Mercy, holding her waist, drawing her nearer to you, and now you are telling me that she's the one disturbing you. Your guy must hear this.
No, madam, please. Madam. Oh, my job. Madam, please. Now this one, the taco. This girl wants to know attacking my career. Why is one more attacking my madam? Everywhere. Never look at this now.
She don't make me vex, don't make me vex.
How will I tell now?
See, I don't want vex for you. I don't want vex for you. That cannot be your game. Then she come block me for the call and make me like that for all that day. Eh?
Sorry now.
I don't believe you.
That girl, the person my life.
You pursue your life.
I tell her, say this girl, no.
I don't believe you. Because that day when I asked her, so you tell me, say, no, not get anything. She come, they look me like this, they look me like this, they look. See, what's happen, I know me happen again.
That girl now wish. That girl, so, if one my mother, no go catch her back. That day when you come, the next day, let me go back here. And they say, go be that girl when you come. I say, you're my love, you're my everything, you're my soul, you're my kidney. I tell her everything. Because they hold me your body. It depress me. Depress me. Now I say, no, my body cannot charge. My mother can catch us. My mother say, when I go to Ghana, I apologize. Please, madam, don't tell her. Sit down, madam, don't tell her.
So your mother not tell your guy?
No.
I won't go tell her.
No, no. Oh, you tell Ghana, my guy sack me. You know, see my guy say, he go do our money.
So I don't want vex for you. You know, say your guy like me well. Come on, this snatch, this place, you not touch her again.
I beg you, I'm sorry.
You not touch her again.
That guy, no doubt, though. Because you are the love of my life. Any musician who does that to me, I will not marry. I know what to do.
You know what to do?
I will that guy for you. That's my love now. Sorry.
I have to see.
Jesus. Hey.
See, don't go again. This snatch, not touch her.
No, no, sorry. Baby. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Hey.
Oh, thank God you're here. About the incident that happened the other day. If you like, tell my sister or tell my sister boyfriend, the one you snatched away from her. I don't care.
Is that a way of apologizing or what? Because I don't understand.
Apologize to who? You? Who cares? Mind you, my eyes are on you in this compound. By the way, let me ask you, what were you even doing at the Gitma apartment? Oh, you thought I don't know. My eyes are on you 24 hours.
Is that a kind of threat or what?
It is not a threat, it is a warning. Oh, mind you, care is not taken, I will let the cat out of the bag. Be careful.
I don't blame you, shameless idiot. Fool. If look all the kind of capping no nation. Hi. If you meet a good enough, can you imagine me if you get mad? Hi. I don't know what's wrong with this girl. If I had no, it runs in their vein. They are just they are not well mannered. I don't blame you.
Baby, I love you so much. I love you so much.
I love you too.
Oh, God. Oh, baby, you know. Baby. Oh, my baby. Jesus.
Hello! I can see you guys are enjoying. Congratulations!
Jesus. Okay, wait. See, it's not what you think, eh? We are just trying to know what will happen. See, please, it's not what you think, eh? Relax your mind.
No, it's not what I think. It's what I saw. Oh, listen, we wait.
My job.
Talk to your husband.
No, now, see, okay, I'll get
My
you
job.
something. Come. Wait.
My other job.
Shut up, you
My
shut.
other
I
job.
told you that we should go inside the room. You said no, here.
Back on it, giving.
What am I seeing? What am I seeing? Koboko. Is this true? Is this true?
Camera was, camera was.
Hey! My goodness. How come?
He cost it.
Cost it?
He cost it.
Who cost it? How?
Madam, what you did to my body not carry on. I told you like my organ.
No, don't say that again. See, tell me, don't you like me?
You get everything
Now,
I
am
do.
I not beautiful enough? Check me out now.
You have it all.
Hey,
But I like my organ.
see,
I don't want
forget
to come up.
Forget yoga. Don't you like money?
Why are they here?
So forget yoga. All you have to do is just to concur with my request. If you concur, then I'll be able to take good care of you. But what you do for me, if I'm giving you money, don't allow it to show on yourself. Be keeping it, be saving it. Or don't you want to have your own house? Do you not want to have a gate man? Don't you want to have your own apartment where you'll be calling somebody and the person will be answering you, sir? Don't you want to be counting money? So you have to chill and follow my drum.
But I
Dance with me.
I have a
Enjoy
girlfriend
it.
and I love my girlfriend. I think so sweet.
Are you serious?
Can say to her, I think so sweet.
Have you tried an Igbo girl before?
No, I tell
Have
you.
you eaten an Igbo food before?
No, I tell you, come and give me sister. Why not give me? Something
Have
was paining
an
me.
Igbo girl ride you before? Like, give it to you?
No.
Then why are you now talking as if you've gone there? You've not gone there, so relax. When you
But
go
then
there,
you're showing
you
me
know what I'm
Oga
talking
boss.
about.
You're showing me Oga boss.
Forget Oga. What Oga? Okay, now tell me, is what Oga is doing, is it good? Oga have me in the house. Oga have somebody else. That demonic Edo woman. Oga will be doing me. Oga will be doing the game. Oga will be chopping me. Oga will be chopping the game. Oga will be touching my own. Oga will be touching her own. Oga is a very greedy man.
It's a shortage to you.
I know that Oga know how to do. He does not know how to do. So that's why I'm here. So that to be trained by a pattern, you give me, I give you.
So if I want to go to down below now, you open it for me.
Free of charge. This guy is funny.
How?
So
Agree.
let's go inside.
Oh, Jesus. Hey, the cupboard is open.
Oh, come. No one is at home. Oga is not at home. Even that stupid girl, no one is at home.
The cupboard is open.
Ow!
Jesus.
Kaboko,
Baby,
What are you doing with that girl, Mercy? That stupid girl.
Somehow, she best my life for day.
Eh?
Yes.
I shouldn't mind her. Maybe you know I told you that I'm a jealous lover.
Yes.
And I don't like seeing you with another woman. I hate it when I see any woman close to you. And that idiotic Mercy, I often see her around you.
She's the one disturbing me.
She's the one disturbing you. She's the one disturbing you. But I used to see her in your apartment, behind the apartment, everywhere. And I told you right from the beginning that I wouldn't want to see you with any woman because I'm a jealous lover.
It's okay, baby. I'm sorry. You know I love you. I love you back. Sorry, baby.
Baby. You know why I'm still here?
No, I don't know.
It's because of you now. I'm here because of you.
You love me so much.
I love you now. You know that I don't like that demonic Edo girl.
Don't
That
matter.
idiotic girl that is staying in the house.
Using me anyhow.
And that man, the man himself is not man enough. He cannot even decide what he wants. A man that can keep two women in the same room, in the same bed, in the same apartment.
What about it?
He's not man enough.
What about it, Dumbo? Is he trying there?
He's not trying anywhere. You are the one trying. That's why I say I need
I'm a
man
man,
like
you.
a strong man, a man
Like
that
me.
is proud of himself, a man that can decide, a man that is as good as you are.
Oh,
You know I
baby.
love you.
Come on. Love you too, baby. Love you.
Baby, I don't want to see you with another woman, okay?
Alright. Alright.
Okay? I love you.
Baby. Love you too.
Baby, let me just go before someone will see you see me.
That's true.
I love you.
Did not put it. How? That's my baby. Baby. That was how it happened.
Hey God. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. If you have killed me.
If you are killed. If you are killed.
Hey! Shut up!
Hey, Jesus.
Shut up the mouth!
Oh,
I brought you here without nothing.
no.
Under my roof.
Yes, sir.
And you, Ify, you know that I promised you love. I gave you everything. I brought you into this house.
It's you.
What do you mean by me?
It's not you that brought me into this house and you say I should join her. You'll be giving her attention. You'll not be giving me attention. You'll be giving her the other side. You'll not be giving me the other side. And you're expecting me to be faithful.
You not started paying care to me. Sorry, sir.
What are you saying? Since you came into this house, it has always been you. Are you not the one sleeping with him? Can you imagine?
That gives you the right to go and sleep with my common gate man.
Taboo. Taboo.
Ify! Ify!
Aye.
Is it true that Igbo girls are like this?
Never. They're not like that.
Oh, then you will prove them wrong. You will prove to your people wrong. Come on, go!
Forcing me. Forcing me on.
Come on, gate man. Oh, I never knew you were this cheap. You say the devil you know.
It's better than the angel you don't know.
Now, Ify. Go back, go!
If you must leave this house.
Now shut up your mouth before I smack you.
Aye.
Before I open my eyes,
Go and get my
I want to see you both out of this compound immediately.
Quick.
Baby,
Baby me.
Stand,
If you baby me,
It's me or it's
get out! Oh, if I open my eyes and meet you guys still in this sitting room, I will strangle you to death. Get out! Out! I said, get out! Get out!
Get here!
No.
Victory belongs to us.
Babies. Calm down, please calm down. That is how life is. Calm down, please. I'm sorry for everything I did. Okay, please. I will change. I promise to change, please. Please, baby. I will change.
You know you caused this from the very beginning.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
I've always loved you and respected you. I want to do everything for you. But since you came back from Europe, you
You changed.